for Kumba, Oga SZ or the person they call him, say Ngomna delegate, they call it Victor Nkelengo. Now he starts Operation Lock Binet Place for inside big market for Kumba. The one now for Monday where he start as well they see they put for lock and they put paper for day. Kumba City Council now themselves they lock plenty bina people them place for inside place where they call them say Kumba market now way they so they don't block bina people them place. Sabi say Oga Ngomna delegate Victor Nkelengo he talk say binet people them they no get for put politic when they make binet say they no sabi why where they lock them binet place where it no consign them thing where it happen. So with the year just now Palava say 25,000 they go pay before they open them Binet place for a place where they call them say Kumba. So market for Kumba just now the big markets except that no nothing. Even one eye Binet man he no so turn back today for say the one go sell. Sabi say Kumba market he get more than 50 store them, more than 50 Binet place them. So if they get for lock or man, now it means say plenty people them they go be for that market where no day. So 25k now where they get for pay before they open the market. But sabi say even as way Oga Ngomna delegate he can lock people them. They never so show like say they go open the Binet place. Sika palava for two where they say lockdown where all man in the fear hit. Sabi say na Binet people then dey for middle. Ngomna he dey for front. The other people they dey for back. Binet man he dey for middle. Who say he go? Now for say make it turn up or now for say make it go. Now for go for before or now for come for back. No man he no sabi wait away if he for talk. So condition for inside Kumba big market. As soon as see so for that image. Now sabi say after Ngomna delegate SZO for Kumba today he be the worker now for roads. Yes. SZO Ndong Chamberlain and Ngomna delegate. Now them two they join hand today. As why they talk so now so for that side for Kumba. Them two they don't work a lock whether na bao na banko na different Binet place or any place. Ndong Chamberlain be there in Oga Victor Nkelengo na only them they dey for outside. All Binet place them they don't lock and SZO too he don't put his own seal. Yes, he don't write his own thing. The one na SZO lock up. No na government delegate again. Na SZO too he don't lock up. SZO don't talk say he no fee she done for inside Kumba. Binet people them they no degree open the Binet place. Even one them when they make tingly palava no one he no agree open. So na SZO sesep he don't come up for outside today. He too he don't put his own see. He don't talk for this everything. Say SZO na he lock the one. So no na Kumba City Council again. So SZO and Ngomna delegate this morning time or this afternoon as well they talk. They don't waka. Door. Them two, they don't lock Binet people them and they don't talk. Say if they no open, now so they go so continue for lock Binet people them. Sabi say Kumba, as so the talk, all man in the fear, confusion. Now for say make you go for before, make you go for back, make you go for right, make you go for left. No man, he no sabi anything. Who side he get for go? Now Sabi say even all the palava for locking. We be try for look Kumba. Big market. Place it dey empty. Yes. Place it empty. E just dey like say people they no dey for inside Kumba again. I show you the same. Binet don't die all. I say all for Kumba. Kumba wey they ever call am say na place where they give chop for Southwest. But now so na the Kumba that. I show na the same. Binet people they no even show their head na show am. Even as well they lock them Binet place. They say that one. For them, that for say they should done for they say they can't burn them Binet place. Better they should done for side they say even road themselves empty. Now you where you get heart where if you work out for roads, but they road them for Kumba all place quiet. You even hear as we bed them say they make noise. So town for Kumba as soon as they see am so place a quiet time no day. Since we dey for inside the palava for northwest southwest for place where they call am say combo na for northwest where it dey so as soon as go see am for that photo na bomb that on a granite as well they call am for people wey uniform people dem say they go dig and comot away they don put am wey they dey waka. So that one na thing wey dem dig am for road. No be na uniform people dem, even as well another people dem dey try for talk say na uniform people dem dey dig and cover am for set trap. But we hear say na uniform people dem say they dig am, they meet up am for road as well they dey make them normal waka. Now thing wey if they for waka on top, if for make bah, you understand. So as well the talk for here, uniform people dem too for that side for Combo. For northwest, their eye they shine. And so na see and so na see no. Na thing where they be don't put am like a trap according to wetin we hear. Whether na who they do or wetin no dey happen, that one na uniform put the say we see how they strive for comot am for outside. After wey dey so they don't see am way they put am for them like trap for that side so for Combo. So that palava it go na different level. No be na only palava for ta. It don't be na 1-2 way. They don't start using na bomb. Man, it go rest. Man, it go rest. Palava for wait. Since we there for the chapter, Sabi say Kamasesh, SNJC, and even another small Tory organization for that side, so for inside Boya. Now the book that they don't sign now. Ask her name Dede. Kumlyo na Dede. Reverend Fobang, he names herself Idede. So all them, Reverend Jenadine, that's what they call her, yes. All them, their name they decline and say may they left some Torin Gondere, where they cash it for Tori House or Bonakanda. That girl in name na Merina Mundo, it be the work. And according to the book where we see and for we before, Kamasesh, SNGC and the other people them, they detox say, now people there they be don't detox say, may people they no talk say, may people then go back for so all that kind of thing them. So they suspend just now some particular people there so them